Good morning.
Morning.
It's a sunny day. It's finally sunny.
Is it a sunny day? I was like,
it's a Sunday day. It's a sunny Thursday, which makes me really happy because it's been so muggy and so cloudy, and that's not what I'm here for. So, obviously, in true Disney transport fashion, the buses were late today, so we're currently rushing through the Magic Kingdom to get to our reservation at Biogas.
10 minutes to get through.
We've got 10 minutes to get from this end of the park to that end of the park. Can we do it? Let's find out! One that's been reincarnated as Walt.
Ah, Disney bird.
Disney bird.
New one?
Yeah. You can buy these posters now. Yeah. They're not that expensive.
What's not that expensive? Mine and your not that expensive is very vastly different.
I think $30. No shugs, we don't have time. I got some new pins.
There's some really cool ones actually.
They came out this week.
These came out this week?
Yeah, those are the ones that got released yesterday. Come on, show Jack.
I do love Magic Kingdom and it does make it worth it when we're here. It's so stressful getting here.
Do you know what it is? Do you know why you feel happy and positive today?
Right.
Sun's out.
Sun's out.
You got your vitamin D.
I'm looking at the pins.
He says he's got pins. I may get my Hocus Pocus cake today. I haven't decided.
You haven't decided?
I haven't decided.
The trace bunker.
Sorry if the camera's shaking, I'm power walking.
I have time lapse on this.
Huh, okay, I might as well just carry on recording then.
Oh, you are. Alright, I want to see you. I want you to give me that. But I need drama. Okay, ready? Get your prize. Here we go. And look at it. You're gonna be like, yes! That was so. I got the laugh. That was so perfect. I love it. See together, sit together. So you're gonna out to the side, and both of you look in his hand and look really surprised. I love it. Drama. Yeah.
Yeah. Ah. Yes.
Bonjour, right hand side.
Bonjour. It is a girl. Yes, I know it is a girl.
Yeah. It's weird, last time we were in here we met the beast.
Just there. And danced.
Isn't that the truth?
Two people. Come on now. You're having the same?
What beer do you want?
Whichever.
Do you have any of them, I think?
Oh my god, you can have a mimosa.
Do you want a mimosa?
I want a mimosa. Or a peach Bellini. I want a mimosa. Mimosa.
And we were told to show us. And
So we finished breakfast and we're about to go on Space Mountain, which is the first time this holiday. We're both losing our voices because how much we scraped. Oh, you have piloted for me before and you survived.
You make loads of rice. Stop whinging, I'll put you on small ones. And that's making
Run.
No, you know.
Run quick. Just run. She went no. Hello. We just went on a spaceship. I know it's a spaceship Earth. Space Mountain. And then we're going to head over to Seven Dwarves Mine Train. We'll have another go at Buzz a little bit later, but we're going in the second part. You and Jack are going? No, I'm going in the second part. I'm going later.
not going anywhere. It's just holding the white helmet for everybody else.
It's not my problem, it's my holiday. I am a childless millennial. Yeah, we're going on Seven Dwarves, so we'll probably switch to 360 for that. And
We're doing Buzz again.
Yeah, we're doing
You and
Buzz.
Jack are going on teacups.
And then we're going on Splash. And I want to try the candy corn milkshake. That's going to shade. It's Snow's house. Craig.
She's got great aircon. For the time she lived in, it's great.
I'm not impressed that she lives with 7 men though.
No.
Oh, fine. We have more friends. Say hi, guys. Matt's on his phone. What have we done so far, Nick?
Loads. You can't.
You've done loads. No, we're not counting what you did. You crazy lady.
Since 7. I got up at 5. Went to bed at 1.
Yeah.
I have to go home next week. So.
Dedication.
It is called dedication.
We were texting when we got back from Horror Nights, and like Nick was talking to guest relations about something. And then like we got up this morning, I got out of the shower and was like, oh, have you text Nick to see if she's awake? And Craig went, oh yeah, but it hasn't delivered. I says, oh, she's probably like already left. And then we were leaving, just about to get ready to leave. He went, she's been in the park since 7. And I literally went, you what? I went, she went to bed the same time as we did. Like, how? Because she's a crazy lady. I even texted her going, you're crazy. You're not normal. What? Nothing. No. Just stand there and look pretty. No. Oh, I feel that, son. It's Nick when she's in the mood. It's you when you're in the mood. No, the Queen. Oh gosh, you look.
I loved you.
Don't you agree, Jack?
Seven Dwarves Mine Train. I think we're heading over to Haunted Mansion. Where are we going now? Haunted Mansion. Haunted Mansion. And there's something special that Nick told us is on sale. I want and I need.
Of course you don't know. It's not a want, it's a need.
It's a need. And I've got a whole plan for it as well.
You know what Quick Lane and Stephen Alex say? We need it.
We need it.
They've pointed it out that we need everything.
We need it. Although the train, I will say I want it.
The train station.
Yeah, that's a want.
That's a dream want because there's no way we can afford that this trip.
Because if we got that, we need the castle.
We don't.
What's the train going to go around?
Put the camera down so I can kick your ass.
The most inappropriate thing.
We've never been in here. Okay.
It's called, the size of it is called Tiny Kingdom.
Oh.
But then that tells you where they all go.
It's by Craggle.
So I got the map.
What's it called?
Tiny Kingdom.
My Kingdom.
Right. And then the mystery blind ones, which we just watched Nick go first. And yeah, you get 3.
Nick, do me a favour, hold that.
Yeah.
Because he does my editing with it.
Case in point.
He is.
They're so small, it doesn't want to.
It won't focus on them.
No. They're tiny, they're like fingernail size.
Yeah, they are really.
They should be called Incy Bincy.
Definitely a Tiny Kingdom.
And you got the camel as well. Yeah.
That's the only one of them that I'll
I say, was that $40 well spent?
Misleading, really, isn't it?
It is, because the castle's huge, but in comparison,
What is it, just tiny?
But the paper map inside tells you where they all go. But even that makes them, even the map is bigger than the actual pin. Like,
I'm happy with this.
oh yeah, the flag's awesome.
Not the boxes.
No,
Don't get the boxes.
Don't get the box,
Just get the flag.
we know for next time.
This year's Hidden Mickey cast member set, they're all attraction.
Yeah, get that
Signs.
Yep,
Done?
done.
It is a hot day. We're going on special. Oh, for Christ's sake. Nathan's super happy about it. We haven't done it in a year.
It's been over a year.
Overdue.
Overdue.
Not overdue.
Ah, you.
So we come on Splash.
I already said it.
But they're giving these cool little Ziploc bags out. So the camera's now going in that bag. Go and do it again, shake your wrapper again. Oh no! Oh my! I turned around, saw it coming down, and just went, yeah.
No.
Like, seriously? Of all the probabilities! Oh, sugar. Oh, shoot! Oh, I can't see!